snow upon the heather hills. But here in Scotland, even I must cheer my rain with fire. They say my chill shapes their merry winters, yet their hearts burn bright in defiance. From up Helliar in Shetland, their proud Vikings, reborn, march with blazing torches through the cold night to Hogmanay, where the year turns amid fireballs and first footers, summoning flame to dance with frost. It is an ancient balance, fire to cleanse, ice to preserve. And melting, they leap the flames for luck and love. It is the spring's festival, but I still linger in the dew, watching, waiting as they welcome the warmth. In their stories and songs, fire and ice are never foes. They are the very heartbeat of the land itself, the winter storm and the hearth's welcoming glow, the cold loss and the whiskey's golden spirit burn. And so, I remain, not to conquer, but to dance, flame and frost together in this wild, eternal Scotland.